In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your car for sale on Facebook Marketplace. It's a convenient way to reach potential buyers in your local area and an excellent option to consider when selling your vehicle. So let's go through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to either log in or sign up. Click on Login. Enter your credentials and proceed to your Facebook homepage. Next, from your homepage, locate the Marketplace icon. It's usually found on the left-hand side of your screen if you're using a desktop. On mobile, it might be at the bottom. Click on this icon and you'll be directed to a new page highlighting all the latest listings. Now, on the Marketplace page, seek out the Create New Listing button. Clicking on this will open up a few different listing options for you. Since we're listing a car, you'll want to click on Vehicle for Sale. This option will lead you to the next page, which is all set up for vehicle listings specifically. Here you'll need to specify the type of vehicle, which usually includes choices like cars, trucks, or motorcycles. After selecting the appropriate type, it's time to upload some photos. Make sure to use clear, high-quality images of your car from multiple angles, including shots of the interior and exterior. Imagery plays a critical role as it's the first impression you'll make on potential buyers. After you've uploaded your photos, setting your location is crucial. This enables potential buyers in your vicinity to find your listing with ease. With location set, start entering the specifics of your car. First up is the year of manufacture, followed by the make or brand of the car, and the model. These are vital details that buyers usually look for. Next, input your car's mileage. This is an important determining factor for many buyers as it gives insight into how much the car has been used. Once that's done, set the price you're asking for. Make sure it's competitive yet fair to attract serious inquiries. After pricing, select your car's body style from the given options. Then set both the exterior and interior colors of your car and indicate if the vehicle has a clean title by checking the corresponding box. Next, you'll need to choose the car's condition, fuel type, and then write up a detailed description. Be sure to highlight any special features or recent maintenance work. Once you've filled in all the details, click Next to proceed to the next screen. You're almost there. Now it's time to publish your listing. Click Publish and your car will be officially up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Finally, make sure to click on View Messages and regularly check the Selling tab under your Marketplace profile. Respond quickly to any messages from potential buyers to keep the conversation going and increase your chances of making a sale. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to listing your car on Facebook Marketplace. Good luck and happy selling.